sal. This is called sal in Spanish. Sal. Mix it. So we got the salt. Just put it in there. Put the lid on. Let it go. Okay. Now let me go at your pace. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding, guys. I did not mean to. I eat a lot, so. Sauce does not need chopping, everything. We already have the ingredients needed. Culantro.
We help.
You did it.
Yeah, the combination of the two really takes the heat.
Exactly.
Oh, that mayo stuff? Yeah, I need that mayo recipe.
Well, I'll send it to you. Send it to everybody. You guys can do the same at home.
This is good.
It's actually the simplest recipe tonight, the nail. The simplest of all. Apart from the plantains. All the chicken is out. We got more yogurt coming out, we got the rice coming.
This is good. You should try this.
And you can share.
You want some water?
Do you have ice?
So am I filming myself too?
Yes.
Yeah, look good all the time.
Right.
You know that moment when you turn on the rear camera without knowing and you're like I'm gonna be like this a little bit. I don't like being close too much to the camera. Subscribe guys to his channel. Like, comment, subscribe to his YouTube channel, Instagram. That looks amazing, bro.
Thank you.
Can I show them what you did?
Sure.
That's really good. I'll just give you this. You can just leave it there. Give you this, then I can take the phone. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Look at that. Look at how much paste. Look at how much paste we got from 5 tomatoes.
Very nice.
That's a lot. Next flavor to our pot. Get some really nice stew there. You like some? Now, you do this to your beef, your chicken, your pork, whatever you want to eat, your fish, come out really good. Either guandules or beans. You can use guandules for the beans.
I like it.
Okay, you got two options, guandules and beans. Now, we need coconut milk. We need...
Bon appetit. This is dope.
What's up?
We made this from scratch.